How to buy Zcash on Etoro app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to buy Zcash on Etoro app in easy fast method. So first thing we do, we go to Etoro, and after that we go to the watch list here down below, click on it, and then search for Zcash. Okay, here is the Zcash, click on it like this, and then click on trade here, and after that choose the amount of money that you want to invest like this, and click open trade. Then choose your payment method from here. You have many options: credit card or bank transfer or even PayPal. After that, go down and choose deposit, and everything will be done. Don't forget to like and subscribe if this video was helpful for you. Thank you so much.